La penlong ya ka mock drill hinne ka sngi ha keleng ki jaka ai jing sumar ki badon ha ka jela ban pintikna ya ka jinglong pin kre jongki ban yale persya ya ka no ka jing e ka bala ban mi na ka jing pang covid khat khandai ka jing thmu jong ka ne ka mock drill kan long halor ka jingdon jong ki jingdon kam baro ha ki jaka ai jing sumar kum ki jing thia pang ka jingdon jong ki nong sumar kum ki doktor ki nurse bat ki wei ka jingdon jong ki tiar ki bakat kum ka bokpor ba minta kum ki life support bat ki ambulance ki jaka ban le ya ki test bat ki oxygen ya ka ne ka drill lapan long hapo ka jingelam jong ki deputy commissioner ringkat ka jinge trailang jong ki nong trai ka tanat ka kwat ka kia.
Only thing I would advise the public is come early to the hospital and then don't delay testing. Test early testing, early follow-up, early treatment. That is a must, I think. And mask, I think once there are such cases, masks are not to be used.
Ka seng BGP ha ka jila ka let shakinong